I grew up with my dad having a 1973 911E Targa. So it was kind of like my first love with Porsches, with cars in general. So, and that car kind of just, you know, I liked other cars, but that car just was the car that I just always loved and always wanted and all that kind of stuff. So we got the Chartreuse from Idaho, found it online, and once I saw that it was matching numbers and the original color was Chartreuse green, which is extremely rare, I thought it would be a good candidate for restoration. So once the bodywork was all done and it was painted, the assembly took us about probably 6 months, 7 months. On a car like this, we go period correct. You know, there's a few updates that we do to cars like this, because it makes for a better car. But as far as the original things that this car came with, we try to on a restoration car, we try to put those back on the car to make it as original as possible. So seeing it start from a car that was not the nicest to this is just it's pretty awesome. It's just rare when you go places and you get to take the car to a car show or something like that. It's cool to see you come up to it and be like, oh wow. A lot of them don't even think it's the original color of the car. It's the first car that I've driven that was just felt like I was back in 1973 driving a Porsche, a brand new Porsche. So I think that's just super cool to get in this car. And there were things that may have been put on this car that make it a little better than back then, but you get in this car and you feel like you're driving a brand new 1973 911, and that's always something that I wanted to feel, especially with my love with my dad's 73E. I've always wanted to, I've always dreamt of, if you could go back in time and drive a 1973 911, and that's kind of like, that was the first time I drove this car. It was kind of, it captured that, so. I'm stoked up to finish product. I don't know how else to put that, so I love it.